What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, let's continue our discussion about the preparation for the Revit structural design. So this time around, another topic that you will be encountering during the exam is placing isolated foundation. So that is our topic. Okay, so now in this video, of course, that is what I'm going to teach you. So in our project browser, so what we are going to do here in this quick video, I'm going to open the 3D view. This is the 3D view. So I just double click it from the project browser. So here's the 3D view. And now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to tile the view. Okay. So to tile the view, what you can do is you can go to the view and then you can select their tile views, or you can type WT. Okay. So now in my case, since frequently I use tile views, so I put it here on my quick access toolbar so that even if I'm on the structure tab, I can just simply select here the tile views. So no need for me to go to view and then select the tile views. So in case you want to put some tools here on your quick access toolbar, so all you have to do is to right click that. So like for example, the tile views, you just need to right click that and then just select add to quick access toolbar. So now you will notice it's grayed out or can't be selected because it's already added here. Now I'm going to click this one, tile views. Okay, and then I'm going to type ZA. So ZA stands for zoom to fit. Okay, so ZA, zoom to fit. Alright, so now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to place the pad foundations at grids. Okay, so the isolated foundation will automatically be placed on the grid intersections and located at the column bases. Okay, so to do that, on the structure tab or structure ribbon, so I'm going to select here the foundation panel, so which is this one, and then let's select isolated. Okay, so let's select the isolated, and then we will be using here the option. So let's go here on the floor plan view because we will be using at grids. So you can't use the at grids option if you are here on the 3D view, right? Because there is no grids here. So you need to pan here so that this view will gonna be active, and then you can select grids. Okay, so you just need to click that one at grids, and then after that, the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to select all the grids using a window selection. So I'm going to use window selection like this. Alright, and then you will notice a pad foundation preview. Okay, so there's the preview of the pad foundation. So notice that the orientation of the foundation does not match the structural column. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that's alright. So what we can do is just select finish here, and then you will now receive this warning. But this one is okay. So it's just saying that the attached structural foundation will gonna be moved to the bottom of the column. So that's it's okay. So you just need to close this one. Okay, and then you can now see the pad foundations are now placed. So I just need to select modify to terminate it. So as you can see, the model will gonna be look like this one. So note that the foundation pads are attached to the base of each column. See, so it's attached to the base of this column that we have here. So it's at the bottom there. Okay, but the rotation that does not match the structural column. So what we are going to do is I'm going to delete the foundation pads that we just placed, and then we're going to place this time another foundation using at columns method. Okay, so let us remove this one. So let's select all the columns, and then you can filter, select all the foundations. I mean, select and then delete. Or aside from that, you can just click one of the foundation, right click, select all instances visible in view, just like that, and then just delete. So you know already the option at grids option. So this time around, we are going to select at columns method. So to do that, I'm going to select again the isolated, and then this time I'm going to use at columns. So it creates footings at the bases of the selected structural columns. So I'm going to select this, okay? And then after that, so we are now going to select all the columns using the window selection. So these are the columns. So I'm just going to highlight it like this. Again, there's now the preview, and as you can see, the orientation now of our foundation is correct. Okay, so note the foundation pads are attached at the base of each column, and then the rotation matches the structural columns. Okay, and don't forget to finish that one, finish the exercise. Just close this and then just modify. And there you have it. Okay, right? So there you go. So this is how you create an isolated foundation. So hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.